Yes, sir.
Sir, call online or call.
Yesterday, as we discussed something about the conversion of trigonometric ratios. Okay,
Yes, sir.
as we have in this, we deal with the trigonometric ratios of the some standard angles such as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Yes. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर
हजुर
सर त्यो के भन्छ यसलाई एप्रुभल गर्नु न त्यो रेकर्ड गर्नलाई
एप्रुभल म गरिदिएको छु त्यही भएर भनेको अलिक म्युट
छैन
गरेर रेकर्ड
होइन सर
भइरहेको
छैन क्या त्यो बन्द
रेकर्डमा गरिदिइरहेको
हुन्छ सर
okay. So in this way,
हुन्छ सर
as we have some special trick to find the trigonometric ratios of some standard angles, or we can let such standard angles. It means what? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree especially. Okay, we need such 5 angles here in our class. That's why we will discuss on such 5 angles only, not more than the 5. That's why we use such ways of finding the ratios of such trigonometric identities on of such standard angles in this way, and that way is here. Let the position of such standard angles are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. As we suppose the angles, or sorry, the position of such angles as 0, 0, in the same way 1, in the same way 2, 3, 4 respectively. Because 0 is considered as 0, in the same way 30 is considered as 1, 45 is considered as 2, in the same way 60 is considered as 3, and 90 is considered as 4 as their place values. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dividing each of the place values of such angles by 4. Okay, because we have just 4 natural number here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why we divide such all the angles from 0 to 4 by 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Then we have 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, similarly 4 by 4. And then after dividing such all the places values of such angles by 4, we need to find their square roots too. Okay. So after finding the square roots, we have okay. After finding the square root of such angle, we use the root values. That means 0 by 4 comes under the root, 1 by 4 also comes under the root. In the same way, 2 by 4 also comes under the root. In the same way, we need to find the square root of such all the place values which are divided by 4 after dividing. Is it okay?
अच्छा
Yes, sir.
Then after, as we know, after dividing, as we have given here, when 0 is divided by something, the answer would be 0. That's why the square root of 0 is also 0. So there, I think there is no any problem. In the same way, when we have 1 by 4, okay, 1 is not divided by 4. That's why the root or the operation of root goes on the both number, that means 1 and 4 too. So the square root of 1 is 1. In the same way, square root of 4 is 2. So that is what the second place's value is 1 by 2. In the same way, the third one is 2 by 4. So here 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4. Is it okay? 2, is it? So again,
Yes, sir.
the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 2 is root 2. Is it? So the third value is 1 by root 2. Then after, we have the fourth value 3 by 4. So if we talk about 3 by 4, as we have the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 3 is root 3. That's what the value of fourth place is root 3 by 2. Is it okay? Then after, when 4 is divided by 4, we get 1. That's what the root of 1 is 1. That's what we got the values of such places as 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Then after, that means, it means what? As we have the first trigonometric ratio is sine, or trigonometrical identity, trigonometrical identity is sine. That's what the ratios, it means sine, cos, tan, and such ratios measures on the basis of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, similarly 90 degree, because we suppose such the value of such angle as 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 previously. That's what the value that comes after dividing and after finding the square root is their values of such ratios. So sine theta, that means sine 0 degree is equal to what? 0. In the same way, sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Same way, sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Is it okay?
Wow.
So no
Yes,
need
sir.
to learn every formulas or other such values. Okay. If you understand such type of tricks, you can find the values or you can produce or you can form your formula by yourself. Okay, no need to take any help from others, but you need to practice on such things. So that here we have we need we need the value of for cos. So for cos we take the opposite of 0 degree. Okay, so opposite of 0 degree we consider as 90 degree. So opposite of 0 degree is what? 90 degree. In the same way, opposite of 30 degree is 60. And 45 degrees lies between such angles. That's why we leave the middle angle as 45 degree. Okay. Then after we have cos, exchange the value of 90 degrees because 0 degree opposite to 90 degree. That's what the cos 0 degree is equal to 1. In the same way, cos 30 degree is opposite to sin 60 degree. So cos 30 degree is equal to root under 3 by 2. In the same way, cos 45 degree is same, no changing. Okay, in the same way, cos 60 degree changes to 30 degrees, so 1 by 2. In the same way, cos 90 degree changes to sin 0 degree, it means 0 degree. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Then after this all, at least we need to find the 3 trigonometric identities ratios, okay, for our use. And after for others, we can use the reciprocal formulas, okay. And by using that formulas, you can find by yourself. Chandan Yadav. So for tan, use quiescent formula of tan. Do you know the quiescent formula of tan? What is that? Tan A is equal to, okay, sin A by cos A. Have you remembered the formula or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So use after finding
Yes, sir.
cos and tan, you can apply these one. Okay. As we found the value of cos and tan, sin and cos already. So after finding these, we can apply. Okay, we can apply the quiescent relation of tan. Quiescent relation of tan. No any other. So don't bother about to find the values of tan theta. Okay. You need only to find the value of sine. After finding the value of sine, you can automatically find the other's value too. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So after using that formulas, we got or we have tan is equal to sine by cos. That means 0 by 1 is equal to 0, as we have given. When 0 is divided by something that comes answer as zeros. In the same way, okay, sine by cos, that means 2 cancel, 1 by 3 remains. Okay, that means tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. In the same way, 1 by 2 divided 1 by 2, that we got 1 as answer. So tan 45 degree is equal to 1. In the same way, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Okay, and tan 90 degree is equal to undefined, because when anything is divided by 0, we get answer as undefined. That's what the tan 90 degree is equal to undefined value. Okay, so in this way, to find the next value, that is cot, sec, cosec, you can apply the opposite on the basis of reciprocal form
Hello.
of trigonometric ratio. Who is this?
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Satya?
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Yes, sir. Maybe Sunesh Patel.
What happened, Sunesh? Sunesh?
सर कहाँ के वो? Yes, sir.
Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So similarly, by making opposite on the basis of reciprocal form of trigonometric ratios, we find the other values too. It means we can find the value of cot, sec, cosec in the same way, because such angles are the opposite, or that means reciprocal to such angles. That means cot is opposite to tan, okay, sec is opposite to cos, and cosec is opposite to sine.
Sign.
Or in this way, you can find such values too. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, you can find such angles. Okay, sorry, values of such angles. And
Excuse me, sir.
yes, sir.
सर तो tan को बुझे ना.
For tan,
Yes, sir.
okay. Ramsey,
Divide गरिदिनु पर्यो सर 10 मा.
हजुर sir.
okay, look here, okay, carefully. Here, okay. As we have given here, tan theta or tan 0 degree is equal to 0, is it?
0. Yes, sir.
So as I have told you that we need to use here the reciprocal quotient formula of tan theta and sin theta, is it?
Yes, sir.
So as we know, tan theta, that means tan angle is equal to sin A divided by cos A.
Cos A.
Is it?
Yes, yes, sir.
So now
Yes, sir.
tell me, what is the value of sin A? Look here. 0 degree, is it? That means 0, sin 0
Yes,
is equal
sir.
to 0, is it? So 0
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
divided by value of cos A, that means cos 0 degree
One.
is what? 1. So when 0 is divided by 1, what will become? Here is 0.
Zero.
Zero.
So in this way, by using the formula, quotient formula, we can get the values of tan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose again, for others, we have root under 3, 1 by 2 for 30 degree, 1 by 2 for 30 degree, is it?
Sir.
Divided
Yes,
by
sir.
root under 3 by 2, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Root under root 3 by 2,
2.
is it? So here, when these numbers are in the form of division, we use here multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Multiplication. So root 3, that means 2 by root 3, is it? So 2 or 2 cancel because of numerator and denominator, and we have got what?
Yes, sir.
1 by root 2, sorry, root 3, is it?
2. Root 3. Yes, sir.
Root
Yes, sir.
3. So in this way you can
Yes,
find,
sir.
okay?
Oh. Yes, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And any other question?
No, sir.
So in this way you can find, okay?
Yes, sir.
What are you seeing now on your screen?
0 by 4 root under and sine को 0 30 degree 1 by 2 45 degree 1 by 2 60 degree 3 by 2 root under.
Okay, wait for some time. You need to take a screenshot. Okay, you can take the screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Do it fast. We don't have more time. Okay, we have just 1 minute 50 seconds.
Sir, only 1 minute.
और मेरे लैपटॉप में स्क्रीनशॉट लेना होगी ना सर
Who is using this?
सर तेरा
सर,
बाप
तो-
મને एउटा केटा छ त्यसकैबाट बजिरहेछ
सर त्यो सेयर गर्नु न एकचोटि भएन हेर्नु सर के बजाइरहेको
सर यो के छ सर
Now. Have you completed? Ramji,
Yes, sir.
can I stop it?
Yes, sir.